Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make soup mix vegetable. First, begin by selecting a wonderful variety of fresh, seasonal vegetables. Think about colorful carrots, crisp celery, and sweet peas. Next, you'll want to thoroughly wash, peel, and chop all your chosen vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures even drying and cooking later on. For denser vegetables, like potatoes or carrots, a quick blanch in boiling water for about 2 minutes can be beneficial before the drying process begins. Once your vegetables are prepped, it's time to dry them. A food dehydrator is ideal. Set it to 125 degrees Fahrenheit and dry until brittle, which can take 6 to 12 hours. If you're using an oven, spread vegetables on a baking sheet and set it to its lowest temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, leaving the door slightly ajar to allow moisture to escape. This method might take several hours, so patience is key. The goal is completely dry, crisp vegetables. Now for the fun part, assembling your custom soup mix. In a large bowl, gently combine all your dried vegetables. This is also the perfect time to add your favorite dried herbs and spices, like a few bay leaves, a teaspoon of dried thyme, or a pinch of black pepper. For a heartier soup, consider adding dried lentils, split peas, or even small pasta shapes. Once everything is mixed, transfer your homemade soup mix into airtight containers. Stored in a cool, dark place, it will last for several months. Finally, let's talk about cooking with your wonderful homemade soup mix. For a delicious and hearty soup, we recommend using about 1 cup of your dried vegetable mix for every 4 cups of liquid broth. Simply bring your broth to a boil, add the mix, then reduce the heat and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes or until all the vegetables are tender. Remember to taste and adjust your seasonings as needed. For an extra touch, stir in some fresh spinach or kale during the last 5 minutes of cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.